Hello everyone, my name is Nikia Powell, and today I will be showing you how to use the cool tool called Polls Everywhere. Alright, so when you first log on, of course you're going to have to make a profile in order for your participants to have a username over here. And I just picked the free launcher one because you didn't have to pay anything. But of course, if you want it to have like your classes in there, probably like your participants, then you would have to go to the solo. I think it was called Solo Dolo one. But we're just going to do a simple one today to keep it plain and simple. Alright, you're going to go here to create. Alright, so when you go here to create, they have many options. You have multiple choice, word cloud, question answer, clickable image, survey, open-ended, questions, competitions. If we go click on more, you got donut charts, you have icebreakers, discussion, brainstorming, spotlight, short answer, bulletin board. So we're just going to go with multiple choice today because I just want to show you how you will use it and how your responses will come in. Okay, so for the first question, we're going to do something very simple and very easy. Okay, so here you put your question where it says, what is your favorite place to visit? And then you can put your answer choices A, B, C, D, or however else you want to do it. I just figured A, B, C, and D would be easier to put in. So if you just want to add another, you simply just go here, go to the plus sign, and put your answer choice here, and go on and so forth and so on. Alright, so we don't need that one, so we're just going to erase that one. So we're going to hit create. Alright, once it's created, then it will bring you to a screen similar to this. Say for instance, if you get in and you see, oh, I spelled something wrong and I need to go correct it, you would just go to edit, fix your problem, hit save again, and it'll bring you right back to that screen. Okay. So in order for your participants to give you feedback on something, you have to make the polls active. Once it is active, once they're joined in, they just simply reply A, B, C, or D. And they can do it on a computer if they don't want to use their phone. So just to show you how quick the response is, I'll send in the answer choice. See, that's very quickly on one end. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. And on the next end, you see that's done from a laptop. And it came in very, very, very quickly. So your responses come in quickly. If you want to change it and do a circle graph or a donut chart, or a column chart, you're more than welcome to do that. And if you're done and you don't want anyone else to reply, all you have to do is lock it. Once you lock it, it is not active anymore. No one else can reply. Alright. So, say for instance, if you wanted to go back and you wanted to get rid of it, or you wanted to do another poll, you just go click polls, go to create, and here's your screen to create you another one, whichever one that you want to choose. And let's say, for instance, if you want to delete that poll, you're done with it, you got all the statistics and everything that you need back. There's your question right there. Now, if you're done with it, all you simply have to do is check it, highlight it, delete the one selected item, and that is